So we are all set. Laban ng Photon kontra Kaida. The starters already have been introduced and are now on your screens as the white shirts of Kaida win the opening tip. Right away, we see pressure defense being extended beyond that three-point line. Robles may tanga ng bola. At this point, Robles looking to attack, kicks it over to the corner. Terzo will open up the scoring with a long bomb.
Isa sa mga veteranong nakikita natin, Joseph Terzo, who used to play for the National University. Nakalaro na rin sa mga ibang commercial league. So let's see if he can lead his team here para dito sa Kaida.
How about Alan Mangahas? Kilala natin siya bilang isang main gun pagdating sa scoring at this level of basketball, pero matetesting din dito yung kanyang leadership na for this brand new team in Photon. Nawala nga lang sa kanila ang bola. It's a 3-on-1 the other way. Cleanup job could not be completed. Valoran on the breakout. Nice passing by the guys in blue to get themselves on the board.
Good pass pala dito sa blue shirts at Gomez was able to finish that shot.
Baseline jumper in Diubra. Gomez na rin ang bumardno. Mangas on the attack. Gets it to Gomez. Back-to-back hits.
Looks like a replay there. Gomez napakatsaga running the lanes there at he was fed by Alan Mangahas.
4-3 nasa ating talaan. Nakanakaw na nga po ng kalamangan. Etong Photon. Kaida on the attack. They go to the corner, three-pointer once again. This time, Mintis mula sa kanan. Lozada, though, with an offensive rebound.
At itong si Janus Lozada, who played for Adamson, one of the most athletic guys they had there. Kita natin long and strong itong si Lozada. So far, Photon up 43.
Robles on the attack. Pupunta sa kanyang kaliwa, it is Lozada. Back over to Robles. Valoran extending his defense. Lozada taking that pass, driving closer. Shot clock is at 8. Steal by Valoran, playing the lanes well.
Ito natin, baka some nerves as we start this league. Kasamang a couple of turnovers here for the white shirts. So expect some of these nerves to be in the initial minutes, pero we expect them to settle down in a couple of times, in a matter of time.
Valoran tatanggap, elbow jumper, rims out. Tapingan ng rebound, nakuha ng mga nakaputi. Here comes Kaida. Marquez looking to go wall to wall, scoops it up and out. Mangahas nagtitimon para dito sa Photon. Corner three-pointer could not be delivered. Pero ibabalik din naman sa kanila ang possession dito.
Oo nga, sunod-sunod ang turnovers dito ng Kaida. So hindi kakatuwa yan ni Coach Mike Buendia. Again, itong si Joseph Terzo needs to settle down his team, relax a little bit, set their place, and get into their system.
Terzo will get it across, over at the left side. Lozada, long bomb, Diubra. Right away, makikita mo yung Kaida really testing their shooting from the outside. Paborito nila yung corners.
Oo, ang lakas nilang tumakbo for fast break, corner, a lot of kickouts for those corner seats. So far, isang press pa lang na napukol nila, care of Joseph Terzo.
Rivera from top of the key delivers from 17 feet out. Is the score, and the Photon has doubled up on Kaida. This time they attack the interior. Pero yung front line, itong Photon is holding up. Long three on the way. That is good. What a run mula dito sa Photon.
Back-to-back threes para dito sa Photon. So far, Kaida's outside shooting offline para naman dito sa Photon. They're online.
Matapos ng unang makabasket ng Kaida, kanina 9-0 run na ang isinukli sa kanila netong Photon. Jump hook in the lane, Mintis. Rebound cleared by the guys in blue. Mangahas, forward pass. That pitch though was bothered by Robles. Tapos na last touch pa. Etong Photon as we entered the first time out of this game.
Mula sa Pasig Sports Complex, welcome back to your PCBL. Alam niyo ba itong mga nakikita nating lineup ng mga kupunan naglalaban ngayon, medyo may kulang pa. Unahin natin yung sa Kaida. They are expecting Giovanni Halalon to come in anytime as soon as matapos nga ang kanyang NCAA stint. At sa Photon Toplander naman, kita naman natin maganda ang takbo so far. Pero meron pa silang dalawang manglalaro na hindi pa actually nakakapaglaro but they're here present supporting the team. Two of them are Mikey Reyes. They're on your screen. Nagpapagaling pa dahil recently ay naoperahan lang to sa kanyang tuhod. At syempre katabi niya, 6'5 player nila si Tim Habilito, who's Phil Ossie, pero kulang pa ang kanyang papers. As soon as masecure nila yan, pwede na rin sila maglaro.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Riza. So yan, birth pains pa ng kanilang team.
May mga secret weapons pa sila kasamang Magu. At alam natin, Giovanni Halalon, Mikey Reyes are excellent point guards. So talagang maidadagdag yan sa kupunan ng for both of these teams.
Tandaan po natin, 10 game ang ilalaro dito sa classification phase ng kada kupunan. Dito sa PCBL or Pilipinas Commercial Basketball League, ang hinahabol po nila makapag-top 4 para may twice to beat advantage nila pagdating ng quarterfinals. Mga hasmetangan ng bola, big pick from Gomez. They go over to Rivera. Kanina pumasok yung tira from that distance. This time, Mintis, tumatakbo na ang Kaida. Nice sidestep, but overcooks it para dito kay Robles. Underneath, Parala is foul.
Parala working hard, getting this offensive glass. At yun ang kailangan niyang gawin. Parala actually played for Mapua at is really known as an outside shooter, not really mixing it up sa loob. But ngayon nga, ito yung chance to develop other aspects of their game. At itong si Parala needs to establish himself inside that shaded lane.
Parala takes care of that first free throw. 2 for 2. Sabi mo nga kanina, more known as an outside shooter, pinakita niya yung kanyang touch from the free throw line.
4 points para dito kay Parala. Namang dito ang Photon 97.
Nice counter-attack by Kaida. They have scored the last 4 points of the contest to come to within 2. Mangahas, ibigay sa kanyang poste. Nice up and under fake. And Gomez delivers once again. He's got 6 of the 11 para dito sa Photon.
Former Perps power forward ito.
Steal by Mangahas. He's gonna walk this all the way home. Tinapward pa yung pagtapos doon.
Yun, no? Talagang mga panahon natin, tumatapward no?
Parala inside was fouled. Gomez saying he went straight up, but the referee sees it otherwise. So Parala, who went 2 for 2 kanina, is back at the line.
You gotta like how aggressive inside that shaded lane itong si Michael Parala. Napakatangkad niya, one of the tallest guys here on the floor. So kailangan i-establish niya yung kanyang presence dyan sa shaded lane.
Takpil, ipinasok dito ng Photon Toplander. Parala now 5 for 5 from that free throw line. Make that 6 for 6.
Gandang kamay talaga nitong bata na to. As RV Bringas checks in to add some heft sa kupunan ng Photon.
Kita mo naman yung laki neto ni RV Bringas. Jonathan Salvador ang datingan. Natin, as effective din siya when he occupies that space in the paint. Photon weaving it around, looking for the open shooter. It is Hernandez who will try his hand. Isga lang. Terzo in the front court, tatanggap, nakakita ng crack sa depensa. Trying to keep it away from his defender. Hernandez at the other end, nanakaw ng layup.
Good transition offense para dito sa Photon. At they've scored a lot of fast break points. So kailangan mag-improve ang transition defense ng mga white shirts.
Ulit sa ani mga bante ng mga naka-asul. Kaida on the attack. Robles from this left wing. Goes to the post. Sinusukat nila. Nila Parala. Itong depensa ng front line ng Photon.
Alan Santos, napakaganda ng kanyang post defense doon.
Kita mo naman yung lapat ng katawan. Napakahirap itulak nito.
Bringas Santos, baka napakalakas. Ayun!
And Alan Santos doing damage on both ends. Kanina, he got the stop on defense. Tapos dito sa kabila, nakakuha siya ng basket. Coming off that Mangahas pass, may kasama pang foul.
You gotta give credit dito kay Alan Mangahas. He's always in control, always know what's happening, at nakita niya yung diving Alan Santos for that bucket.
Itong Bringas Santos frontline combination, pwedeng extra rice incorporated part 2 eh. No?
Yun eh. No?
Pero mas bato-bato si Santos eh, hindi talaga puro kanin. Mas skills eh.
Ito, Mabu, dapat mag-ingat ng Kaida dito. Siyam na ang kalamangan dito ng Photon. Biggest speed of the game.
Look at the shooting so far, MA. Just 10% from the field para sa Kaida.
So far, a lot of one-on-one ang pinapakita dito ng Kaida. Kulang sa ball movement. A little bit of skirmish there para Bringas. At alam naman natin, if you followed RB Bringas' career, he loves the physicality.
He lives for it. RB, si LA may sabi ng dito.
O, baka yari tayo
Ako
niyan.
huntingin ito. Pero ang Kaida, yung nag-iisang field goal nila was the opening basket of this game. It was a three-pointer and then puro free throws na lang. Wala kay Parala, nakuha nila. Ngayon susubok si Tersong dagdagan. Total team. Gets the bounce on that first shot. Post body and Garnado.
Actually, legend din.
And oversee all of the proceedings dito nga po sa Pasig City Sports Center. Beautiful venue, ha? First time here for me.
Yeah, ako rin eh. First time. Lamig pa.
Oo. Mangahas magtatawid ng bola. It is 18-11, Photon by 7. The legal pick or an offensive foul is whistled here.
Robles got hit or kisser, but masyadong aggressive itong pag-swing at pag-rip ng bola nitong si
Yun,
Hernandez sapul sa mukha.
Sa pagpihit, ano? Sapul na sapul.
Kasi,
Sir, sir. Yun naman, no? Outside jumper. Could not be delivered. So the shooting moves from the field have to try to continue. Outside center. Mangahas will try and reset this at that. 12 segundo pa naman sa sunod shot clock. Mangahas over to Bringas, fakes the jumper, drops it off. Nice recovery on the defensive end para dito kay Robles. Parala in the paint, goes to the spin cycle. Sobrang kanyang tira.
so far, White is getting a lot of good shots, unable to convert them. However,
Elbow starting to fly here, medyo umaangat sa kada rebound. Ayaw nilang nasusundutan na.
yan nga yung makikita natin sa commercial league. Yung physicality really prepares them for the next level, which is the PBA.
Beautiful evening for basketball dito po sa Pasig City. Nagbabakbakan po itong Photon Taplander at ang Kaida Tile Masters. So far, so good para sa Photon. They are in the lead, 18-11. Pero as awful as the white shirts of Kaida have been shooting, well within striking distance, LA.
Oh, napakarami nilang free throws led by Michael Corralo. Already made 6 points, all in that 4.5-meter line. But kailangan mag-improve ang kanilang field goals here.
Fresh legs on the floor for the guys in white. Mario located to Robles. Robles finally gets the second field goal of the game para sa Kaida. Over at the other end, it is Rosario. Now running point, or Rosso rather. Pinalitan muna niya si Mangahas. Rosso going between his legs. Close to the baseline jumper. That is good para dito. Kay Nakbil.
Good pass mula dito kay Rosso. So it's important for him to continuously stabilize yung potensa nila habang nakaupo dito si Alan Mangahas.
The blue shirts of Photon wising up to those corners. Kanina, daming tirang nakuha ng Kaida. Magkabilang 3-point line. Pero this time around, nasasaraduan sila at na-turnover na naman dito Etong Kaida.
Si Coach Mike Buendia.
Gerard Francisco to his right.
Tapos sa kaliwa
Former
si Christian,
USD Growling Tiger.
si Christian Coronel, no?
Oh.
Naglaro rin ng matagal sa Santa Lucia yan, I believe.
Gerard Francisco, Santa Lu, and Coca-Cola. Hernandez over at the other end, feeding his big man. Underneath, para-paraan lang, para kay Harvey Bringas.
Bringas carving out space there. Nakita natin yung talagang raw talent itong si Bringas, especially underneath that basket. Knowing what to do with that leather one in spite of the traffic.
Inside, it is Robles. He gets his own miss. Robles again. Ayaw talaga, but underneath. Parada finally hits one from the field. He's got 8 points. Nagmamadali Photon over at the other end. Bringas back over to Rosso. Two-man game para dito sa Photon. Bringas decides to put it on the floor. Stopped on his tracks. Slide jumper. Vintage. Robles bounce board. Robles pushing it. Going right down the gut of the defense. Robles too fancy on the finish. Bringas clears it para dito sa mga Azul.
Another sorry miss para dito sa Kaida. So far, they're getting good shots and able to convert.
Photon can go for the last shot of quarter number 1. Bringas from deep. Diubra just enough time for Kaida, but they are not aware. That emergency heave does not work. So it is a 7-point lead para dito sa Photon at the end of the first 10 minutes of play. 22-15 ang nasa ating tala.